Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. If it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer. And if it's their website, same thing. Just click on it and add it to your cart. And I'll check this out. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review. And hopefully, YouTubers, you guys had a good day so far. And everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. Let's see what it is. Oh boy, here we go. But just in case it might be Amazon, everything will be corrected. Cheese. Alright, this is a block of cheese. Alright. There we go. And I think this is definitely a Amazon. So we got a ultra clean electric toothbrush. Oh. Maybe a gift to yourself or a family member. Go cheese. I get it now. Like cheese smile for the camera. Yeah, buddy. We are moving slowly but surely. It's alright. It's a weekend now. Time to relax a little bit. Enjoy it. But definitely to see how this looks and how it operates. Bada boom. Cheese. Ultra clean electric toothbrush. 3 replacement brush heads. 300 days per charging. Alright. Cheese. This has magnetic levitation, sonic motor, dew point bristles, 3 cleaning modes, full body washing, IP waterproof, marquee lighting effect, 30-second smart pause mode, 2 minute smart timer, long-lasting battery life. That's a good thing. Take this on the road with you. If everything's back open, should be good to go. And then, or just keep it on you, home, your office, your work area. Make your dentist happy. There we go. I think this might be a website unboxing, just because of the mysterious package. Here we go. We can turn this thing up. There we go. Whoa. Look at this. This is nice. This is definitely first of its kind. Look at that. Kind of like incubators. Got 1 capsule. Another brush. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I don't see it like this. I mean, you know these people care. Everything's nice and protected. There we go. This is a nice one. Look at that bling bling. There's all the triple layers. See, it's different than. Yeah, see, this one's like that. Gray. This brush is that bling. Like this. Compared to side. See, totally different. I think these are 2 the same. Yep. And then this one's all gray. Ooh, limited edition. So you can tell. So you get 4 of those bad boys. And this must be the travel case. Nice one. Oh yeah, arriving in style. Bam. There's a cable. Charge USB. We don't know how these work. Very easy to plug in. Put that right in there. And now here's the main unit. So this is definitely a nice one, guys, to get. Like I said, I opened a few in the last few years, and by far this is definitely one of the good ones. Definitely top of the list for sure. Just how the presentation is and everything's all nice and neat. You get a lot of cool extra thingies, some nice little capsules, and now and travel right there. Oh yeah. Okay. Here she is. Gotta remove the sticker or the protective film. Nice LED display right there. LCD LED. Cheese. Okay, so the light must come out here. Just pull that out. That's the little cover. Kind of look like a chess piece, like a pawn. Buttons right here. Now let's get it going. Yeah, first one don't matter. They're all the same except for they have different cleaning. How do I open this? Okay, that was pretty simple. Cheese. Alright, don't be cheesy. For cheesy. Off the easy. Mine easy. There we go, that was easy. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that thing light up. 1. Oh. How you doing? You see the action. Yeah, it is quiet. Sonic motor. It's a little vibration. You can see it's going. See right here? Ow. Oh, that feels alright. Right up top, you can see them moving fast. Well, the quiet rinse, soft. Bam. Really cool. So if you guys are interested in a new electric toothbrush, this is definitely a nice one to get. Easy to pop out, I think. There we go. Yep. And then switch them out to whatever brush style you want to use. And then the USB goes. Where does the USB go to charge? Yep, it was underneath there. They got these, I guess, water protectors. So right there. Cover this one up first. Oh, man. This goes where the USB slot is. There you go, like that. And then bam. There we go. We got it. So really cool. Really cool electric toothbrush from Cheeeese. And you guys be safe. Have a great weekend and take it easy. See ya.